Hi, this is Rich Pola. I'm introducing you to our latest product, the beverage bag, and our new catering spout that attaches to the bag. In the old days, you had a party event, you have a big bucket like this. You'd have to carry around a big bucket. It would be very difficult to fill and to pour out. With our new catering bag, you could fit in the same space as one of these. You could fit probably 20 of these. You have the spout, you just take that off. It's easy to put on the bag, easy to take off. Just put that on, and then it allows you to cater to all your favorite events all the way across the table, and it fills up your drink nicely. No spillage, no leakage. Then when you're done, you just fold it back in. Fold it back in, you put it back on a hook, and you have a flat bag, easy to clean, easy to reuse. It's a new catering spout from rp&associates.